Everyone online says you need $1,500 plus to play games smoothly. So today, we're building a $1,000 gaming PC that doesn't cry when you load Fortnite. All parts are new or budget friendly. Total comes out to about $1,000. And yeah, it can actually handle modern games. For the CPU, we're using an AMD Ryzen 55600, 6 cores, 12 threads, fast enough that your Chrome tabs won't feel ignored. For the motherboard, a B550 board. Supports upgrades PCIe 4.0 and doesn't judge your cable management skills. For RAM, 16GB DDR4, enough for gaming, streaming, and maybe even a YouTube tab or two open. For storage, a 500GB NVMe SSD. Fast boot, fast game loads, but pick your games wisely. It's not a storage hoarder. For the GPU, we're rocking an NVIDIA RTX 3060. Solid 1080p and 1440p performance without breaking the bank. For power, a 650 watt 80 plus bronze PSU, enough to keep the lights on and your PC alive. For the case, a budget-friendly airflow mesh case. No RGB, unless you sneak it in later, but keeps temps in check. Final build. Clean, solid, and ready to game without begging for mercy. FPS estimates. Valorant high. 180 to 220 Fortnite high. 100 to 130 GTA 5. Very high, 90 to 110. Warzone medium, 70 to 85. For $1,000, this is a proper gaming PC. Follow for more budget-friendly builds. Because yes, you can game without selling your soul.